Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use YouTube on your Apple Watch Ultra. While there isn't a native YouTube app, you can still enjoy content. Your Apple Watch Ultra acts as a powerful remote for the YouTube app running on your paired iPhone. This allows you to control playback, adjust volume, and even skip through videos directly from your wrist. You'll also receive notifications for new uploads, ensuring you stay updated with your favorite creators, all without needing to pull out your phone. It's a convenient way to manage your viewing experience. To enhance your YouTube experience, consider exploring third-party applications available on the App Store. These apps are designed to bring a more direct YouTube interface to your Apple Watch Ultra. Many allow you to browse and even watch videos directly on the watch's vibrant, approximately 2-inch screen, offering a more independent viewing experience. Some even support background audio playback. Remember to research these apps thoroughly, reading reviews and understanding their features, to find the one that best suits your needs for seamless video access on the go. To get the best out of your YouTube viewing on the Apple Watch Ultra, a strong internet connection is key, whether it's Wi-Fi or cellular. Pairing your watch with Bluetooth headphones will provide a much richer audio experience than relying on the watch's built-in speaker. Keep in mind that streaming video is quite power-intensive. Watching for extended periods will impact your watch's impressive 36-hour battery life. To conserve power, consider reducing screen brightness or selecting lower video quality settings within third-party apps, ensuring your watch lasts longer. While the Apple Watch Ultra offers impressive capabilities, there are some current limitations regarding YouTube. You cannot directly upload videos or live stream from the device. The watch's approximately 2-inch display, while sharp, naturally limits the immersive quality of video playback compared to larger screens. However, as technology evolves, we might see future software updates or new hardware iterations that bring more robust native video application support and deeper integration with services like YouTube. Battery efficiency for video streaming will also likely continue to improve, enhancing the overall user experience on future wearables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.